Hello there. Welcome to Shaun Academy. Today in this video we're going to learn how to start a car company. My name is Sarah and I will be your instructor in this video. Now, before we start a car company, let's take a closer look at what goes into starting one and how we can make yours profitable. Every year, billions of dollars are generated by the automotive industry. In 2018, over 78.7 million cars were sold worldwide. Toyota, Volkswagen, Ford, Nissan, and other industry behemoths rule the market. However, this does not rule out the possibility of newcomers. You can start and grow your own car building business with some planning and creativity. Step 1. Determine your niche. First, decide what kinds of vehicles you want to construct. Global sales of electric and green vehicles are increasing. More than 1.9 million electric vehicles were on the road in 2017. These are not your only options. You can also start a car building company that specializes in sports cars, passenger cars, city cars, small/large family cars, heavy vehicles, luxury vehicles, minivans, performance cars, hybrid cars, and off-road vehicles. Consider your budget, personal preferences, and current market trends. Consider building muscle cars, hot hatches, and other sports vehicles if you're passionate about sports cars and know the industry inside and out. Your knowledge in this field will give you an advantage. Step 2. Make a business plan. It takes a lot of time and money to start a car building business. Prepare to hire top talent, negotiate with suppliers, and seek investment. Create a business plan to serve as a roadmap to success. It should include a summary of your company and its mission, an operations plan, market analysis, financial projections, and legal information. Make certain that your plan covers all aspects of starting and running this type of business. Define your buyer persona, research your competitors, and be specific about the types of vehicles you intend to sell. Find wholesale auto parts distributors and get multiple quotes. Factory Motor Parts, APW, and the Parts House, TPH, are a few examples. International distributors may also offer lower prices. Select a suitable location for your warehouse, factory, and store, and calculate the costs. To cut costs, consider outsourcing product assembly and other operations. Determine the number of employees you will require and the roles they will play. Examine your financing options, which may include bank loans, lines of credit, and private investors. Make sure you have a solid business plan and a prototype before reaching out to investors. Step 3. Comply with the law. After registering your company and obtaining a tax identification number, you'll need to apply for various licenses and permits. To learn more about licensing requirements, contact the Department of Motor Vehicles or visit the DMV website. Bring a drawing of the manufactured product, a photo of your business location, an application for occupational licenses, a list of dealers, and other documents. Licenses and permits will also be required for your factory and warehouse. Building permits, zoning permits, construction permits, land use permits, and special state-issued business licenses are examples of these. A sales tax license and professional licenses are also required in some states. Be aware of the associated costs. Over the course of 2 years, Tesla, for example, spent more than $51.3 million on construction permits for one of its factories. Step 4. Expand your automobile manufacturing company. Decide whether you'll sell your vehicles in a store, through dealerships, or through authorized distributors. Another option is to contact potential customers, show them your prototype, and accept custom orders. Create a business website that showcases your unique selling points and highlights your products. Participate in car-related forums, chat rooms, and social media groups. Take advantage of these platforms to learn more about your target audience and to promote your brand. Attend automotive events and trade shows to network and meet potential clients. If you found this video useful, please show your appreciation by clicking the like button. Also, let us know in the comments if you'd like us to make a long, comprehensive follow-up video to learn more about how to start a car company. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button to see more videos from Shaun Academy, an extension for education.